How to fix all of the bugs and glitches with the Where is my train application in your Android device. So hey guys, if you are also facing some of the issues or you are discovering some bugs and glitches within this particular application, so let me show you some common ways to fix them. So the most common way to fix the application which is Where is my train is that you reboot your device and see if the application works perfectly or not. If it doesn't work, then what you can do is simply tap and hold on to the application icon and click onto this app info. Now this will lead you to the system settings of your applications, and within this, in this particular interface, you have this option of storage usage. So simply click onto this storage usage and you can see two options. The first one is clear data and the second one is clear cache. So simply click onto this clear cache button and restart your application, and hopefully the issue will be gone. If that does not help, what you can try to do is simply click onto this force stop button and again click onto the force stop button and try relaunching the application again, and it might have get the job done. Even if that does not work, you can simply uninstall the application by using this uninstall button and installing it again. Even if you are facing an issue, what you can do as a final resort is simply open up the application and then click onto these three lines present at the top left. Once you will do this, you will have this option that says report issue. So simply click onto this report issue option, and from here you can click onto this get started button in order to send a feedback. You will need to tell all of the details that you want, and apart from that you can also attach a screenshot of the problem that you're facing, and Google will help you by guiding you through this particular steps on how you can fix your application. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.